So now I'm gonna taste my beef steak.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine.
Hi guys, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Priya. I mainly make travel vlogs, but I also just make a fool of myself on the internet. And in this series, I'm showing you how to visit Barcelona in 4 days. If this is your first time watching this, I suggest you to click off this video and watch day 1, 2 and 3 first, because this is already day 4 and this is our last day. Unfortunately, we had a blast. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Let's go. So we started the day by doing a free walking tour. They have 3 tours a day, one at 11 a.m, the second one is at 1 p.m, and the third one is at 3 p.m, and it's completely free. You just have to tip the guide out at the end. I usually give 5 to 10 euros just for a thank you, so that's really cheap, and it's a great way to go to unknown places of Barcelona and have useful or not so useful information about the city. I really recommend you to do this if you have the possibility, because it's really awesome. If you're into weird and fun accessories, I really recommend you to come check out this place. Even if you don't buy anything, it's really worth the visit. So it's called La Basilica Galleria, and it's located not far from the Barcelona Cathedral, and it's really worth the visit. So the shop looks like this from the outside, and it's really fun and different.
There's a party in your head, I can see it. Your eyes, they tell me everything. And even if you don't wanna believe me, the truth is just too clear to see. And I'm not your enemy, I just wanna get to know ya, know ya, know ya, know ya. Eyes, you're vacant. I wanna see you in the morning, wake up when you say hello. I wanna look deep inside what's behind.
Now we're heading for lunch to a place recommended by a tour guide called La Masia. But before that, we stopped by the Boqueria market to get our fresh €1 fruit juice. So the tapas bar looks like this. It's located on Elizabeth Street. But because La Masia also means farm in Spanish, to find this tapas bar you have to type La Masia Barcelona Elizabeth Street. Apparently it's super cheap. I hope it's gonna be tasty.
You want me, but there's too much danger when you fall in love. It's innocent.
I went for the beef steak with potatoes. My mom took the duck leg with potatoes. We took a salad with tuna. I got a sangria. My mom brought the rosé wine. And we paid €23 for all of this. So now we're gonna try this out and see if it's yummy. My mom's gonna try it first.
Les pommes de terre, c'est très bon.
Très bon. D'accord. Bon, en même temps, c'est des pommes de terre.
Oui, non. Oui, mais ils ont un bon.
Ok,
C'est pas comme de la même chose.
c'est vraiment. J'ai jamais eu aussi mauvaise nourriture de moi, c'est la première fois. C'est dégueulasse. C'est dégueulasse.
First of all, that is delicious.
Ah, maman, en plus, elle est difficile, hein. Ok. The duck is a little bit salty, but it's good.
I love it.
First, I'm gonna taste my sangria. I don't drink much alcohol, so this is a bit too strong, but the taste is there. Now I'm gonna taste my beef steak. This is really good.
It's delicious.
Now I'm gonna taste the salad because if you know me in real life, you'll know that I can eat tuna fish every single day of my life. I love tuna fish to death.
Wow.
It's super tasty. Super tasty, super fresh,
Wow. That is delicious.
cheap. They give you big portions. It's super yummy. I really recommend you to come to this place. The tour guide was right. Now we're gonna keep on eating because we're starving. So stay tuned. C'était bien, hein? Mieux que hier.
Million. C'est pas du poisson, quoi.
Million.
Yeah, it's delicious. Well done. Wow.
Close to the sun. Close to the sun.
And the last thing I recommend you to do if you have 4 days in Barcelona is of course to visit the beautiful beach of Barceloneta. It's only a 30 minutes walk from the city center and it's really worth the walk. In fact, this beach is really crowded during summertime, but even during winter, we're the 1st of February, look at this. I mean, there are a lot of people playing volleyball, just sunbathing, eating picnics, so it's great. It's really great. So we're enjoying the sunset here. And that's it, I guess. I need to breathe when I talk.
Don't forget to drop a like.
And that's already
Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to put a like. Don't forget to drop a like.
And that's already the end of our Barcelona series. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to
Subscribe.
no, don't drop a like. Don't forget to drop a like and tell us in the comments down below which city we should visit next.
You must to put a like.
Subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for more. Bye. Et voilà, c'est déjà fini, maman.
Eh oui, c'est déjà fini.
Tu es triste
Non, pas du tout. Au contraire, je suis contente.
de rentrer à la maison parce qu'elle en a marre d'être avec moi. And this is gonna be our last meal. Bye bye. Bye bye.